How to buy or order from Alibaba. So let's get started. First of all, create an Alibaba account, then search for a product. There are multiple methods of searching for products on Alibaba. The most basic way is by entering keywords or phrases into the product search bar on the main page. After that, filter your search results. Searching by product and category can return thousands of items, so it could take a lot of time to sort through products. You can use the option on the left side of the search result page to narrow your search and return fewer, more specific results. After that, search by supplier. Instead of searching by product, you can select the suppliers tab next to the search bar. This will return suppliers who specialize the product you are trying to purchase. Then post a request for quotation RFQ. You can also request a quote that specifies your sourcing needs and compare direct quotes from multiple suppliers. Click on the Submit RFQ option and create your post in the space provided. Then check supplier profiles for verification basis. Once you have found suppliers through the search engine tools or by RFQ, go to the profile pages to verify their legitimacy. Look for profile badges to make sure you are dealing with a verified supplier. Then look for online complaints about a supplier. In addition to checking for profile badges, you can find information about prospective suppliers online to avoid scams. Then contact the supplier and fill out the message form. Once you find the right supplier, click the Contact Supplier button, then enter a subject line and the message body. This message should include any questions you might have about the products as well as your purchase request. Then negotiate your minimum order quantity, then verify the posted price and negotiate the payment price and method. All you have to do is ask for samples and send the inquiry now. Then simply complete the secure transaction. Use a low-risk payment method such as PayPal. When you negotiate a payment method with the supplier, be sure to settle on a low-risk option. Calculate and pay your freight cost. Hire a custom broker and have your goods shipped from the destination port. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.